How to fix Facebook is down for required maintenance right now problem. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings of your phone. Then when it's opening guys, just go to apps or applications. Then scroll down the screen and search for Facebook. When you will find Facebook like this, just go to storage, and on storage go to clear data, and on clear data click OK, and that's it, your Facebook. You solve this problem. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next.